Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video comes from our Tai Chi sword training. It's how to defend against the straight thrust and slicing motion using the Tai Chi sword. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Have a great day.
So in the Tai Chi form, take it sideways. We're going to do block and sweep. You're just going to walk with it. Block and sweep. Block and sweep. Block and sweep. Block. Concept of carrying, chi thrust. I'm going to carry this across. I'm going to carry across and I'm going to cut. So that's what we're going to work. Miriam's going to come in and thrust. I'm going to carry across and cut. Okay? Carry across and cut. Good? So I'm stepping off the line. I'm carrying it right. I'm not slamming it. I'm carrying it across and cut. Okay? One more time. Just carry across and cut. There is an even amount of you. So just like everything, you can move to one side or you can move the other. The other aspects, when you thrust at me, I'm going to carry across and I'm going to cut. Right? So you have block and sweep. You have block and sweep. So with this, when that thrust comes in, I'm stepping off the line. So remember we did yesterday? You guys, yeah, I know I did this with him. Come here, real quick. Thank you. So you guys remember the carrying drill? So if Josh thrusts at me, I carry, and then I go back at him, and then he carries, remember? It's just a carrying drill, so it's just a simple chi-sao drill. It's a carrying drill. It's a carrying drill, right? So if I came around, if he thrusts at me, I can also what? I can carry on the outside, 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 okay? So the application to this is when he comes in, I'm going to step off the line, I'm going to carry, and I'm going to cut. You guys okay with that? You need to see it again or no? Everybody happy? Okay, especially with a blade. Go, listen, I rotate through this, but you guys should pick them up and play with them. This will make your fencing skills phenomenal when you start to become simple with this. By this summer, we'll start on the saber. As I was talking to David, there's not as much blade-to-blade contact. It's a lot more banging and moving. You get good at this, the pu dao, the do dao, all these things, right? Or the cutlass, it's a lot easier to move with because you got a much stronger blade. Okay, but if you can apply these soft principles to those blades, you'll really mess with people who all they want to do is bang. Your skill set should be so good that as they start coming for you, you should already just start to learn how to move out of the way. So the next one we're going to work with is minus star the dipper. It's the same carry. He's coming at me. I'm carrying. What am I doing? I'm moving my body. So am I banging this or am I guiding it? The word jut, you guys who do Wing Chun with me, in Cantonese they say jerk. In Mandarin, if you read the character, it's more like to guide something. It's just more like to guide something. So when that's coming through, I'm guiding this across and I'm cutting up, right? So you have minus star the dipper. This is minus star the dipper, right? You all go with that? So that blade comes in, I'm stepping off the line and I'm cutting up. All right? Stepping off the line and cut up. So the carry works with a stab. It works with a horizontal slice and what? A vertical slice. Same thing on both. You guys okay? And I could do it the other way. He comes across. It's not minus star the dipper. This is what? Swallow searching for water. Right? You got swallow searches for water. So one I'm taking inside, one I'm taking outside. But what's the same principle that I'm using? Guiding, right? I'm carrying this blade.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.